Many people assume that a business with high revenue is automatically thriving, but this is a common misconception. Revenue represents the total income generated from sales, yet it doesn't account for the timing of payments or the expenses required to operate. Cash flow, on the other hand, tracks the actual movement of money in and out of a business. A company can report impressive revenue figures while still struggling to pay its bills if cash isn't flowing in as needed. This is why cash flow is considered the true indicator of a company's financial health and resilience. It reveals whether a business can meet its obligations, invest in growth, and weather unexpected challenges. Ultimately, strong cash flow is essential for long-term survival, regardless of how much revenue is reported. Many businesses are tempted to measure their success by revenue alone, dazzled by impressive sales figures. However, focusing solely on these big numbers can be misleading and create a false sense of security. Revenue does not account for the expenses and costs required to operate, which can quickly erode profits. Cash flow, on the other hand, provides a more accurate picture of financial health by showing what remains after all bills are paid. It reveals whether a business can meet its obligations, invest in growth, and weather unexpected challenges. Ultimately, cash flow determines a company's ability to survive and thrive, making it a critical metric for long-term success. Cash flow management is a critical aspect of running any business, directly influencing daily operations and long-term stability. Even profitable companies can struggle if they lack the liquidity to pay suppliers, employees, or cover unexpected expenses. Effective cash flow management ensures that a business has enough funds on hand to meet its obligations and seize new opportunities as they arise. Poor cash flow can force difficult decisions, such as delaying payments or cutting essential services, which may harm relationships and hinder growth. Many businesses fail not because they lack customers or profitability, but because they run out of cash at crucial moments. Without careful monitoring and planning, even a thriving business can quickly face insolvency. This highlights the importance of understanding and actively managing cash flow to navigate financial challenges and sustain operations. Cash flow problems can weigh heavily on entrepreneurs, often leading to significant emotional strain. The constant worry over meeting financial obligations can cause stress that seeps into every aspect of daily life. This heightened anxiety may stifle creativity, making it difficult for business owners to think innovatively or plan for the future. Under pressure, decisions may become reactive rather than strategic, potentially compounding existing challenges. Establishing a reliable system for managing cash flow is crucial. With clear oversight and predictable processes, entrepreneurs can regain a sense of control and restore their peace of mind, allowing them to focus on growth and long-term success. Achieving clarity in cash flow begins with adopting practical tools and systems designed to track and forecast your finances. Digital accounting platforms, cash flow management apps, and automated reporting can offer real-time visibility into your income and expenses. By regularly reviewing these insights, you can anticipate shortfalls, plan for upcoming obligations, and avoid surprises. Mastering your cash flow not only brings peace of mind, but also empowers you to make smarter investments and seize growth opportunities. With a clear understanding of your financial position, you can confidently make strategic decisions that support both stability and expansion. In business, there's a significant difference between merely surviving and truly thriving. Surviving often means operating with just enough resources to keep the doors open, constantly worrying about the next bill or payroll. Thriving, on the other hand, is made possible by positive cash flow. When a company consistently generates more cash than it spends, it gains the freedom to invest in growth, make strategic decisions with confidence, and weather unexpected challenges. This financial stability lays the groundwork for long-term success. Rather than focusing solely on increasing revenue, mastering cash flow management ensures that your business remains agile and resilient in any market condition. Successful entrepreneurs often practice quiet, disciplined habits that set them apart. Rather than boasting about impressive revenue figures, they pay close attention to managing cash flow, the true lifeblood of any business. By monitoring expenses, anticipating shortfalls, and maintaining healthy reserves, these leaders ensure their companies can adapt quickly to changing circumstances. This focus on cash flow mastery allows them to weather economic downturns and seize unexpected opportunities. Their approach may not make headlines, but it builds a foundation of stability and resilience. In uncertain times, it is this financial vigilance that enables businesses to endure and thrive. While impressive revenue figures often capture headlines and spark excitement, it's cash flow that truly determines the endurance of a business. Sustainable success is built on the ability to manage and grow cash flow over time. Leaders who master this skill not only safeguard their organizations against uncertainty, but also lay the foundation for long-term growth and stability. Understanding cash flow is more than just a financial tactic. It is a core leadership competency. Those who prioritize it ensure their businesses are resilient, adaptable, and positioned to leave a lasting legacy. In the end, understanding and managing cash flow stands as a cornerstone of any successful business. No matter how promising a company's products or services may be, without careful oversight of cash inflows and outflows, financial stability can quickly unravel. Cash flow is more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It represents the lifeblood that keeps operations running and growth possible. By prioritizing cash flow management, businesses equip themselves to weather challenges, seize new opportunities, and build a foundation for lasting success. Ultimately, mastering this aspect is not just beneficial, it is essential for survival and prosperity in the business world.